Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a topic meditation in 10 simple steps. Step 1. Choose a quiet space that is free from distraction. Turn off your phone, television and other distractions. You can choose to play quiet music. Pay attention to your body and get comfortable. You can sit cross-legged on the floor or in the chair. Be straight, neck should be relaxed and chin slightly tucked in. Step 2. Set a time limit. Sit comfortably for 10 minutes in the morning each day. Step 3. Focus on your breath. Look gently into the middle distance. Take 5 deep, audible breaths through nose and out through mouth. Last exhalation allows your eyes to close. Step 4. You need to do Om. Feel your body touches the ground and weight of your arms and hands resting on legs. Observe sensation of heat, cold or wind, smell and taste. Step 5. Scan your body from head to toe. Observe any tension or discomfort or part of the body. Feel relaxed and check any awareness thoughts arises in your mind. Note without altering them. If you find there is nothing obvious, that's fine too. Step 6. Stay calm helps you to feel better. Why you are sitting today? Just pause for 30 seconds and think. Recognize any expectation or desire you have brought along with. Let it go. Spread the love. Take the moment to consider the wider effect of being mindful today. Step 7. Observe the breath. Attention to your breathing. Observe rising and falling sensation that is creates in your body. Notice where sensation occurs in your belly, chest, shoulders or anywhere else. Few moments focus on the quality of each breath, noting whether it is deep or shallow, long or short, fast or slow. Begin silently counting the breath. One, as you inhale. Two, as you exhale. Three, on the next inhalation, so on up to 10. Then start again at 1. While doing this, it is completely normal for the thoughts to bubble up. You don't need to do anything. Just guide your attention back to the breath when you are realize that mind has wandered off. Step 8. Allow your mind to be free. Spend at least 30 seconds sitting. You find flooded with the thoughts and plans. Feel again calm and focused. Whatever happened, it's completely fine. Let your mind to simply enjoy. Step 9. Prepare to finish. Become once more aware of the physical feelings while sitting. Your body makes contact with the floor, arms and hands resting on your lap. Notice anything you can hear, smell, taste or feel. Now you are ready to finish. Slowly open your eyes. Stop 10. Step 10. Touch the base. Take with you awareness, clarity and focus attention for throughout the day or till the next activity. At last, when you sit down for a work, drink coffee in the morning, you don't need to do the whole exercise. Observe any areas of tension. Meditation is a key to increase self-awareness and mindfulness. Set at intention to do it in every day. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Hope you have enjoyed YouTube series. Bye bye.